Hey there, Tamir from Fibonacci-Traders.com, your daily market recap, January 25th. Like, subscribe. Let's see what SPY and Friends brought us today. According to the price action we are seeing in the last few days, looks like SPY is just waiting for something to happen. In my opinion, SPY is waiting for the big names earnings reports, and then we will see some action. Until then, all we can see is just sideways move. 483, 488 in the past 4 days, grinding up slowly. The way is still up. As you can see, we have trend lines to help us show us the way. The way for now is up, but this price action, if we zoom in, we can clearly see that price action since Monday basically just moving sideways. We have Monday, Tuesday, sideways move, gap up, Wednesday, Thursday, sideways move. This gap got filled. Now, let's see where SPY is heading. Super dangerous price action for now. Just sit on hands and do nothing. At least this is my opinion. Same goes for the QQQ. Between the 422, 430 to the upside. Nothing much on the Qs. Let's see where it's heading. Also, earnings, big names coming up next week, going into beginning of February. This is the Qs on the intraday. Same as the SPY, not surprising. Monday, Tuesday, sideways move, gap up, and then just sliding back down into the yellow zone. Almost close the gap, and this gap, we know, more than 90% chance will get filled. Dow Jones, also sideways move between the 377 and 381. Nothing much. Positive side, the Dow is holding above the yellow zone. The yellow zone was a very tough resistance since middle of December. Now, in the past few days, it's holding above the yellow zone. It's a good sign. Overall, also the Dow is inside an uptrend channel until proven otherwise. Do not fight the trend, and it doesn't matter what you think should happen or would happen. Follow the trend. This is why we use trend lines, Fibonacci. They are our roadmap for future price action. IWM inside the yellow zone, sideways move, super dangerous. This yellow zone is a super dangerous zone according to the FTI version 4. By the way, for those who don't know, the FTI version 4 is my development after years of searching for the right tool to show me as a trader where price might be heading next. Of course, I did not find. This is why I developed one. The FTI version 4 Fibonacci Traders indicator version 4. Why version 4? Because we had so many versions before, and this is the version 4 of the working one. Every day, new features. I'm pouring in this indicator. We have trend lines, we have Fibonacci, we have risk management, we have buy-sell signals, and of course, it works on any time frame that you want. As you can see, this is the SOXX 65 minutes. It works on every time frame, also on the weekly, daily, intraday time frames for day trading. SOXX inside an uptrend channel, above yellow zone, above a green signal. For now, SOXX is in an uptrend, but same as the rest of the market, cautious. KRE inside an uptrend channel, a long one, but as you can see in the last, let's say since middle of December, nothing much. This is a very dangerous price action, so we need to sit and wait until now, January. Nothing much. Bitcoin sideways move, 4 consecutive days. Overall, the 38,400 needs to hold the support. It was a very tough resistance Below it, we will see 36 and then 34. Long continuation Bitcoin, I want to see a weekly close at least above the 42, 43, 500. Until then, just pull back. Ethereum, same thing. Broke below uptrend channel. Now holding the 2170. 2170 from resistance to support. If this area will fail to hold, 2038 and all these red levels to the downside. Crude oil futures broke above this massive downtrend channel. Now the 7750 is the resistance. Look left, always look left, and try to figure out why price is now where it is. It is in the 7750 because this area was a very important area of support, resistance, resistance. Now once again this area becoming resistance, breaking up and above. Where price might be heading next? No need to guess. You have the Fibonacci levels to the upside. Not surprising. XLE trying. Now entered the yellow zone. All we need is continuation, break above this massive downtrend channel since September. Came from the 93, now at the 84. Nice bounce since the 79. But let's see continuation. I want to see a weekly close in this area, maybe in this area, and then we have 87, 89, and 92 to the upside. Before we continue, just hit the like, subscribe, share with friends. Will be much appreciated. It takes less than 1 second. Tesla, 12% to the downside post earnings. Looks like the market really didn't like Tesla's earnings. Now the 180 is holding. We have a gap over here at the 195. And as we know, more than 85, 90% of all gaps will get filled. But for now, looks like Tesla is heading south towards the 160. And do not be surprised if you will see this gap at the 146 will get filled. Always prepare for both sides. Never be biased. Never fall in love with a stock, and it doesn't matter the name of the company. Never fall in love with a stock. Apple moving sideways, not surprising. Wherever Apple goes and Microsoft goes, the rest of the market follows. Apple sideways move, 192 is holding, 196 resistance, long continuation above it, and then we have all the levels and trend lines to the upside. And as long as this yellow zone, the 190 is holding, Apple is in an uptrend. Do not fight the trend. This is why we have the Fibonacci FTI version 4, now B1. We have everything that we need on the chart. This is a clean chart, clear chart. Now you need to ask yourself, what should I do? Should I buy? Should I sell? And if so, where is my stop loss? Where Apple might be heading next? No worries. This is why I developed the FTI version 4. After years and years of searching for the tool, here it is. By one click, you have all the Fibonacci levels for future support, resistance, trend lines that shows you the way. Look at this trend line, holding the higher lows. Look at this trend line, the middle one, resistance, but it's a good resistance. Look at this trend line, came all the way from here. There is such a thing as a good resistance. This is a good resistance, this trend line, because as long as Apple is grinding up below this trend line, it's going up. Meta, uptrend channel. This is the beauty of the FTI version 4B. We can see what the trend lines are showing us. trend line shows us now we're heading north until proven otherwise. As long as we are inside the trend line, inside an uptrend channel, above the yellow zone, above this green line, that's it. We are heading north. Shopify, on the other hand, just moving sideways. It is inside an uptrend channel. It is above the yellow zone, but this is the beauty of the FTI version 4. It gave us few days back, it gave us a sell signal. Why? It doesn't mean we need to go short on Shopify. All we need is wait. If we want to go long on Shopify, we need to break above the 83.40. And if we are already long on Shopify, we need to be a little bit more cautious. This is the beauty of FTI version 4. It helps us first manage our opening positions. It helps us managing risk, and it also helps us to fight FOMO. Google uptrend until proven otherwise, above the yellow zone, above the green one, long continuation above 153, and then 158, 164, end of this month. Next week, Thursday, Friday, Wednesday, and the Monday after it. Until then, we will continue to see sideways move, in my opinion, of course, and everything you see and hear on this video and in general on my channel is my opinion only. This is not a financial advice whatsoever. Netflix all the way to this upper trend line. Overall, Netflix super strong. Filled this tail from Wednesday after earnings. Fill this tail. Now the 540 needs to hold. Long continuation as long as Netflix is grinding up on this trend line, we are good to go. Amazon 0.56% to the upside, but sideways move. Nothing much on Amazon. And until next Thursday, February 1st, we will see nothing on Amazon. In my opinion, of course, we will continue to see this sideways move. Nvidia grinding up, uptrend until proven otherwise. Yes, it's a very doji after doji. There is a struggle, but for now, bulls are winning this struggle. Microsoft, 2 consecutive dojis. As long as Microsoft is above the 391, Tuesday, Microsoft earnings. Ladies and gentlemen, next week is the most crucial week of this earnings season, Q1 of 2024. Be cautious, play cautious, and if you're not in the game, do not enter the game. Of course, it's my opinion. This is what I do. If you follow me on Twitter and if you're a member in our Fibonacci-Traders Discord, you see that our activity in the past few days just slowed down. Why? Because this is a super dangerous price action. No move whatsoever. Look at the SPY. Super tight price action. QQQ. Super tight price action. Look at the 65 minutes. Super dangerous for day trading. And as we saw, nothing much on swing trading. This is the cues on the 15 minutes. And yes, the FTI is working on any time frame. Day trading, swing trading, cryptos, forex, stocks, ETFs, futures, whatever you want on any time frame that you want. If you want to gain access for this one, check the links in the description below and in the first comment. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like, subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell for more videos coming up. And live every day, 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time. Until then, stay safe.
Thank you.